Want to capture immersive 3D sound in your videos? With your Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can use 360 audio recording. But first, you'll need Bluetooth headphone like the Galaxy Buds. Here's how to do so. First, make sure to connect your Galaxy S25 Ultra to your Bluetooth earbud. Then open camera app. Tap the quick control icon. Then tap the settings icon. Scroll down the screen. Tap advanced video option. And then turn on 360 audio recording. When this option is on, now your phone will use your earbud microphone to capture sound from every direction, giving your videos a more realistic and immersive audio experience. This is perfect if you are recording concert, travel vlog, or nature videos and want the viewer to feel like they are right there with you. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.